Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak English Together. And in this video, I'm gonna to tell about my family, and this is day 8 and let's start. So I live with a small family. I have a small family, and my family is very caring and supportive, and they always encourage me, and my family is very important to me. And I daily meet different people, and the different people has a different personality, so I always try to learn from people around me. And the people around me which have a good personality, they give a positive energy to me, positive energy. And sometime when I have a time, then I always try to speak in English with different people, because I want to learn from this something, and I always try to getting something important from the people, because when I meet different people, they always give something from, because the different people has a different personality. And in my family we help each other, and I'm very lucky to find greater family, and I'm thankful to have them. And I enjoy with my family. When I have a time, I sit together and I just have fun. And I feel when I spend time with my family, it makes me feel happy, because family is always important. If you want to happy, so spend time with your family, because family always a first priority. Because it's my concern, because I usually prefer when I was feel nervous, when I feel nervous, I spend time with my family, and it makes me happy. And family is always important, because my family is always supportive and caring, and always encourage me to do better. And I'm very thankful to find such a great family. So if you want to practice, so you can also describe your family, describe a family member like that, so it's help you to improve English. So today I was thinking, what will I tell you? So I think let's tell about my family. So I'm telling about my family. So I doesn't want to disclose my family member, but I will tell you whatever I want to tell you. So if you want to practice, so you can practice like me, and if you don't know how to practice, so you can repeat after me. So it's all for today. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and take care, and keep practicing daily, because consistency is the very important. English is not don't consider English as a language, and it is a skill, so it's take a time. And if you think it is language, so it take a lot of time. But remember, if you consider it's a skill, you can fix a target, you can fix a goal to how to improve within a month, within a year. So you can do this. So keep practicing daily, and consistency is the important key for all the things. So keep practicing and follow the consistency, and remember that if you want to improve your English. So please keep practicing and always try to speak in the front of mirror like me. I'm making this video, so you can also try. You are also making a video like me. That's all.